In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable developer options on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by starting off in the home screen and going all the way over to the right until you see this little gear icon right here. Go ahead and select it and scroll down and you're looking for this My Fire TV option right here. Open this up, and if you see developer options in this section right here, you can simply go ahead and open it and turn them on right away. But if you don't see it, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can unlock it. Go up to this little About tab right here and select it, and begin by scrolling down to the very bottom and hitting check for updates, download updates, or install updates depending on what you see. Go ahead and do that and let all those updates finish installing. Once everything is updated, go ahead and go back one option and go to this little Restart tab and restart your Fire TV stick. After it restarts, come back to this section and go back into About and highlight your device's name, which mine is just called Fire TV Stick 4K Select. And essentially, you're going to want to select this multiple times. And it's kind of different every single time. Usually, it's about 7 times. So if you hit select on it 7 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it'll go ahead and pop up with an option for developer options, and you can do it. But sometimes you do have to press it more than 7 times, so just keep that in mind. Whenever you're done, you will see a message saying that you're now a developer, and you'll be able to go back and go to those developer options in the menu. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.